This is a Pinebrook, about 1624 square foot. This has birch white cabinets in it. Notice that they have a stained island to give contrast between the cabinets. And that stain is also repeated in the doors and in the windows and the wood, and I'll show you close-ups of those in a second. Here we have three drawers versus doors in the center. Figure out how you want that configured in your own home. You can choose whichever way you want. They chose doors on the bottom here. These are on-site granite countertops. If you choose that, you will have to do that on-site. Crown molding on top here. And the stunner of this home is really the windows and this fireplace. Wardcraft did do the tile on this fireplace. Look at all these windows. I point out these windows because I really like, and what I'm seeing more and more, are that there is stained wood. Those are Pella windows, stained wood on the inside of those windows and white trim on the outside. So that's our Craftsman trim. What a view this house has too. So I'm gonna do a close-up on those in a second, but first of all, this gorgeous fireplace. And the homeowner chose the design on this fireplace, and it's really nice. Craftsman mantle here. That's just a half wall with an end cap on it. I'm gonna swing back around to this fireplace and really show you a close-up of these windows and how beautiful this is. I don't know if you can see it. So you see the wood with the white. I get the best of both worlds with this. It's a really long hallway here. And I'm just going to go into certain parts of this house. Off to the left here will be your pantry. Off to the right is a bedroom. Off to the left is another bedroom. So in this plan here, right and left, you have your 2 extra bedrooms for a 3-bedroom plan. This is not something I see every day. So this homeowner wanted a tub, chose to put it here, but did an onyx background all the way up. This is a lifetime guarantee, very easy to clean. Full onyx background. And then a tub. We do these mirrors. This is a Craftsman mirror. Off to the left here will be your laundry. You'll see a small linen closet in there. And this is a pocket door going in. This bedroom is really pretty. So this homeowner chose 3 windows above the bed and then 2 windows to the outskirts. Totally pretty, gorgeous, really nice setup. And now we're gonna go into this bathroom, master bath. Really nice window there. And a walk-in shower. Very popular, these walk-in showers. This is the one luxury item people usually splurge for in their homes. I'll show you the bottom of this and how this goes. So this wall right here keeps out the water. You go in, get a seat, helps you shave your legs. Put in a corner caddy for all your stuff. And it'll go all the way up to the top. And this is the wall that holds the water in.